YouTube, it's your girl Dr. Lorraine, aka your forever educator, and welcome back to my lifestyle channel where I talk about home decor, DIY, and all things in between. So if this is content you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. So in today's video, we're going to be DIYing, and what we'll be DIYing are gift baskets. So I know you've seen them everywhere during this time of year. They are everywhere in all the stores. However, I like to create my own because I like to have a little bit more of a personable touch. There might be a certain candy bar or a certain soda or a certain other beverage that the person that I'm gifting it to really likes. And so assembling and creating your own gift basket allows you to be more personable. So we're going to be doing that today. And this particular gift basket that I'm doing costs less than $20. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with this basket that I got from Dollar Tree. And I like to stuff my baskets with paper, but I don't have any paper, so I'm going to use these plastic bags. Another way to reuse our plastic bags, right? So I like to stuff it to where I'm going to give it some height, and don't worry, you're not going to see the plastic bags in the end because I'm going to cover the plastic wrap bags with a filler. So I'm going to take this blanket that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I like to fold it over the top, and the blanket is for, just an added gift for, your movie night if you want to wrap up in a blanket. And so now I'm going to go ahead, and this is the filler I was talking about. I'm actually going to use 2 bags here. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble the items in the basket. And so this might take you a couple times to make sure the placement is in the right areas, to make sure that your gift baskets flow well. I like to put like items together, so like my candies together, my different types of candy. So if I'm going to do chocolates, I kind of group the chocolates together, and if I'm doing hard candies or your gummies, I like to group those together. So here I'm showing you how I put that filler in. I'm just going to give it some height, but also covering up the plastic bag. So while I'm, go ahead and assemble this, and you can assemble these with anything you like. They're endless. The opportunities are endless when it comes to gift baskets. But what I want to talk about is, utilizing gift baskets for more than just giving them as gifts. Gift baskets can be used for fundraising events. Now, I've gone to a few fundraising events, and I've seen gift baskets like this. I've actually, bid very high on some, because it's for a great cause, right? It's for charity. But what helps is the presentation of the basket, what's in the basket. People like to see what they're bidding on, or, in the auctions, or what they're getting, when they're purchasing the raffle tickets. And so you want to be mindful when you're assembling things that you're reaching a target audience. So I'm assembling a movie night themed gift basket right now. And so what would be great, along with the items that I'm putting in the basket, is if I added a gift card. There's all different types of gift cards, like a Hulu gift card. There's Amazon Prime gift card. Because, I don't think people really watch, DVDs anymore. Some people do, because I still see the red boxes out there. But there's a lot of streaming going on. So what I would include is a gift card, a movie gift card in this particular basket. But you can do what you want, right? This video is just for, creative ideas and inspiration. So here we go. Here we have it. All assembled. I'm showing you right here. And I do wrap this with the gift bag wrap, and I use the heat version of it where you use the a hot blow gun and you kind of seal it better, and then I put a nice little bow. And here I'm just pointing in the area where you can, absolutely insert that gift card or card. I'm actually gifting these to my neighbor. So this is the second one, still using the basket from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to just put a towel down here. You don't have to, but since I don't have the blanket, and this is just to show you how to assemble it, I'm not actually going to be giving this one away. But here I am stuffing it again with these plastic wraps, and I'm just showing you like a different idea. Another great idea that you can use gift baskets for, I've seen on the internet where hotels are doing daycations. And a daycation, for a small fee, you'll pay to use the amenities of the hotel. And I think that's really great. A whole day out at the hotel to spend at the pool, and, also partake in the amenities of the hotel. So you can create a daycation basket, and you can include the voucher in the basket for the person that wins it, or the participants, to see that what all they're getting. So they're getting this basket that's created and that is assembled really, really nice. And as well, they're going to use these items when they go on their vacation. So this one I'm assembling right now is actually a dinner for two, Taco Tuesday, and margarita night. So I have the cutting board there for the limes, of course, the chips, and then it'll have the salsa, the margarita. You cannot forget the margarita. Oops. And I also will be adding in, the filler to cover up the plastic to make it look a little more presentable. And like I said, you want to just kind of play with this and make sure that you are placing the items to where it's not too lopsided. The basket looks evenly proportioned, and you're grouping your items. So the taco shells with the taco sauce. And look at this. Isn't this cute? I found these at Ross, I believe. And they're just little holders for you to put your taco shells in, and you can fill your taco shells like that. I thought that was really cute. So you can't forget the salt, of course. And I also have these margarita glasses that I got from Dollar Tree. Now, the Dollar Tree also has some really nice, huge margarita glasses, but those are kind of heavy, and so that would weigh the basket down a little too much. So I did insert these, and so now I'm going to go ahead and put the filler in. Okay, YouTube, so there you have it. We've assembled two very nice gift baskets that I think that anyone would appreciate, whether you gift it to them or whether you use it for a fundraising idea. I know that I would put my name on the sheet of paper for a silent auction for either one of these two. So I hope I inspired you. I hope I gave you some ideas to create gift baskets of your own. If I did, please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. It does help me out and help me grow my channel. And as always, to educate me is to educate you forever. Bye.